Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Whole Printing Inc. In today's quick video, I want to share with you guys how to make custom mock-ups for clothing. So this can be beneficial for clients that you have and even your own clothing brand or anything you want to publish online or send via email. So for us at Whole Printing, we have two ways of doing this. We have the first way where we try to actually go ahead, take a company logo that we're not currently working with, make a custom mock-up and actually send them an email showing them how we could actually go and fulfill their clothing. Mostly for the examples, we send t-shirts since we're in summertime. If we were in wintertime, we would send like hoodies, crew necks, or long sleeves, all depending of when we actually go ahead and send that email. The second thing is for current clients that are actually doing business with us. We send a clothing mock-up to give them a visual idea of how their t-shirts or custom garments can turn out. And finally, once the actual client has went ahead and said, okay, let's go ahead and place an order, we send a physical mock-up with the DTF sheet placed on it. And once they confirm the placement and size and color accuracy of the DTF mock-up, we go ahead and print the first shirt and send them a photo. That way, they are inside of the process 100%. They've seen everything that the t-shirt or garment can offer, as well as the sizing of the print, the color, and everything is accurate and how they want it to be. So they feel invested in the process. Now, in this example, we're going to be showing you how to send a mock-up, or create a mock-up, I should say, for a existing client or a future client. So in this example, this is not a current client of Whole Printing Inc. Hopefully this will change very soon. So the first thing, guys, you want to do is you want to go ahead and find your logo. We found this logo online of one of our local companies that we would like to work with. So we're going to save this, drag and drop to the desktop, and once that is done, we're going to be opening up Photoshop. Once Photoshop is open, we're going to go ahead and open the file. Once the file is open, we're simply going to take the wand tool and we're going to create an outline. Select and inverse and remove the background. Once that is done, we're going to do File, Save As, a PNG. We're going to drag and drop to the desktop, Save As. Okay, we're going to close this layer and we're going to reopen the PNG now. Once the PNG is open, we do have still some wand tool action to do in the O and in the R. So we want to hold down Shift. I do apologize for the angle, guys. I am currently filming this alone. And we just want to select, inverse as we did earlier, and just remove those backgrounds. Now we're going to save this as a PNG and override the file we just saved. So this is our official PNG. Now we want to go ahead and load up Printful Mockup Generator. So Printful and Mockup Generator right here. So this is the official link. This is very easy and anybody has access to this completely free of charge. Now we want to go ahead and create mockups. Now it's very simple. Create more product templates. We want to go ahead and men's clothing. In this case, we're doing t-shirts. Open up t-shirt. We usually pick the Gildan 5000 Men Classic t-shirt since there's a lot of colors available. In this case, we are going to use a white t-shirt, even though the company is probably going to use black t-shirt just because the logo is black. We could go ahead and actually change it, but we'll just go ahead and use this for the example. We're going to load up the ICO logo or whatever logo you'll be doing the mock-up for. Once that logo is placed, you can decide if you want to do just like a left print, center print, or a left plus back print. In this example, we're going to go ahead and do a left print and a big back print. So just kindly wait for the logo to load, and once it's loaded, you can go ahead and actually apply the logo on the garment. Once the logo is ready, you apply it on the garment, and now you can move it as you wish. So as you can see, it place it like pretty much center. We're going to go ahead and just place it like this. So it looks something, I'm going to size it up actually a bit. Do something like this. That looks good. I'm going to go ahead in the back and we're just going to drag and drop it and we're gonna actually size it up. So something like this, and we're gonna put it up here. So this is how it's looking. Not too bad. Let's see front. Good. Now we're gonna go save templates. Now once your shirt is saved, you want to go ahead here and click on the download mockups. Now you want to choose basic mockups. You want to remove this one, and you want to choose like just a t-shirt, so it's simple. So we're going to choose this one, and we're going to download and generate the mockups. Sorry if I'm going a bit fast, but it's really straightforward, guys. This is basically just like your stepping stone to be able to do it yourself, but it's really straightforward, very simple. The first time I did it, I didn't have any trouble, so if ever I'm going too fast, let me know in the comments and I'll try to assist you. But we just downloaded the mockups. It creates a WinRAR file. Want to drag and drop these files to the desktop itself, and once these files are dropped, you can clearly see that you got your two mockups. So as you can see, this is the back, this is the front. Now we're actually going to go ahead and do a future step, which is sending this to a future client, a potential lead. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll try to find a admin email, whether that be like the owner of the actual company or whatever the case may be. So I'll just go here, the company, and I'll try to find an email. So we went on a site, we were able to find one of the plant manager's email. So this is very ideal, and we'll be very kind in the email. We don't want to make it look spammy or whatever the case may be, so we just want to provide value. And if he doesn't want to do business with us, nothing personal, right? So we're just gonna go, we're gonna copy paste his email. We'll say alright, so very quick and simple. This is a hot lead because we already dropped a physical product to their establishment. So in our case, we actually went ahead last year and printed 12 custom bags with the logo of the company, and we actually had some boxes too. So this is just like a quick example. We got the company logo on both sides of the bag. As well, inside of the bag we got a t-shirt, different colors, different sizes, with the logo, left chest print, and sometimes back print as well. We've put it on the sleeve for certain companies. We've just changed it up depending on what we thought was best for that company. And we physically dropped it off to the locations. Sometimes we talk to the owners itself. Sometimes we just talk to a secretary or manager. But either way, they got the bags. So this company had received the box, but we did not get a follow-up from them, because inside of every bag we have a letter showing all of the companies we worked with in the past, as well as a quick introduction of who I am and what the services I offer are. So this email is going to be a bit less spammy than if he has never heard of me. So the email basically goes as follows. Hey Michael, my name is Dominic from Hole Printing Inc. We delivered a box last year including a free sample t-shirt to give you an idea of what we can produce for the company ICO. We are a local printing company based in. If ever you're interested in some custom clothing, we can help you every step of the way. I attached mockups to give you a visual if ever you did not see the box we delivered. Thanks for your time and have a great day. So this email is really straightforward. We're just gonna go ahead and tidy it up. So that's pretty much it. The samples are uploading to the email, and that's basically how you go ahead and create custom mockups for clients, leads, or whatever the case may be, even for your own website. This was a quick overview of how to do it. If you guys want me to go more in steps and go slower next time, just let me know if I was too quick, because I know I'm filming this alone, so sometimes I'm not able to properly shine the camera on what I'm actually clicking and doing. So I do apologize for that. If ever it wasn't clear enough, just let me know down in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for your time and so much for watching. If you found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.